This is my Akaso 360 Combo Creator unboxing and camera sample video. But first, please do support my channel. Kindly like and subscribe. Why did I choose Akaso over other action camera? Well, the answer is simple: quality and affordability. And since it took longer sending my order from the target date of delivery, then they gave this 64GB memory card for free. So if your budget is not enough to purchase those high-end brand, then better choose Akaso instead. Well, let's take a look first the box. So in the box, you will see it is written the specification of the device, as well as the content inside the box. I choose Combo Creator as an option because I will have a separate compartment in charging the battery. At the same time, I will have 3 pieces of battery, which it is great considering taking longer video and capturing the best moment. Then an invisible stick, which it is very useful in 360 camera. So I selected the first box with this Akaso 360 camera. But let's check this later and take those accessories first. This another box is with accessories like this Type-C charging cable, compatible to 5 volts and 3 ampere travel charging adapter. And this 3 pieces of battery with the capacity of 1350 milliamp hour each. Enough to cover 60 minutes of usage, but that will depend upon the resolution. The higher resolution is used, the fastest the battery will get drained. Then of course this battery charging case with 3 battery compartment that can charge simultaneously. And as Akaso promise, this battery charger is equipped with comprehensive protection against overcharge, short circuit, over temperature, over current, and over voltage. Then this cleaning cloth. Well, cleaning always the lens before using is an effective way to have clearer video footage. And of course, the user manual. Lastly is this invisible selfie stick, which can extend up to 120 centimeters in length. This invisible selfie stick has the screw size of 1/4 inch, which it is compatible of all action cameras. And of course, the Akaso 360 camera has dimensions of 109.8 by 46.9 by 30.8 millimeters, and this weighs only 180 grams. The Akaso 360 is a dual-lens action camera capturing 5.7K. With a 2.29-inch screen, and down of it is the start button, or the shutter button. On this side is the microphone. Next is the Type-C USB port, and then the battery compartment. Inside of the battery compartment is where the SD card is located. That supports up to 512 gigabytes of memory card. You may access the video through your smartphone via Wi-Fi/Bluetooth functionality by using the app. Well, indeed, the device is well made, and as the Akaso promised that this is a weatherproof device, and in the events of rainy days or snowy day, capturing videos must go on. And on this side is the other microphone, the power button, and the speaker. And on the bottom is the female tripod screw, with the size of 1/4 inch. The camera uses dual 1/2 inch, 48 MP complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensors, one on the front and one on the back, allowing it to capture immersive 360 degrees video and photos with its f2.25 aperture, providing features like 5.7K video, 72 MP photos, and advanced stabilization for reframing and creative shots. And here's the sample video of day and night footage. Please let me know your thoughts about this device. Your comments is highly appreciated. And if you're creative enough, you may edit the video through Akaso 360 app to have a better view in 360 degrees footage. Well, for me, the day footage is really impressive. The vivid and the clarity of the image and the stabilization works very well, and that's mattered to me most. Except taking video in nighttime, like in low-light situation, I can't barely see my image in an area where there's no street lights. Then have a check this night footage sample. Well, in my opinion, your budget is always important. If you can afford to purchase those high-end brand, then why not? But for me, this device is enough already. This device is the answer of my needs, capturing the best moments in every place where I want to take video. And by yourself, you can learn to edit the video using the Akaso 360 app to have better footage. And that's it. If you reached till this part of the video, then thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave comments below.